Boys and girls, today we're going to be covering mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. There's two metric units for mass, grams and kilograms. A paper clip is about... Today we're going to be covering mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. There's two metric units for mass, grams and kilograms. A paper clip is about 1 gram. 2 paper clips, 2 grams, and so forth. A kilogram is 1,000 paper clips to make a kilogram. The prefix kilo means 1,000. So kilogram is 1,000 grams. You would need 1,000 paper clips, for example, to make a kilogram. Our data for today: 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. I did a table for you, the metric units of mass from least to greatest. We have grams as the smallest unit, and then kilogram. Examples of gram: an olive, apple. An olive could be 1 gram, an apple could be more than 1 gram. I want to explain the difference of metric and customary. The difference is that the customary is used in the United States. Everyone else uses the metric. So remember that we had ounces, pounds, and the ton. The ton was the car, pounds could be a book, ounces could be anything that weighs not that much. I have my glue here next to me. This could be ounces. Going into the metric, grams are even smaller than ounces, are even lighter, For example, yes, I did tell you this could be ounces, but this be grams. It's even lighter. I went ahead and took out my tortillas from the fridge, and they weighed 1 pound, 10 ounces, and 737 grams. Remember, we need 1,000 grams to make a kilogram, so I would need more than this to make the kilogram. More than this to make the kilogram. 5 units of mass, and we're gonna get started with the guided practice. In 1 through 4, circle the best estimate for each. Number 1, we see a quarter. Would it be 5 grams or 5 kilograms? Girls, when you are doing your best estimate, use real objects to make your best estimate. Okay, 5 grams, 5 kilograms. So look, think of the quarter. Would it be, for example, 5 pens or 5 paper clips or 5 kilograms? The quarter would be, the best estimate for the quarter would be 5 grams. A dog, but it's a small dog, 40 grams, kilograms. Best estimate is 4 kilograms. A small dog would not be weighed 40 pens, 40 paper clips. It would weigh 4 kilograms. 16 grams or 1 kilogram. Sunglasses, best estimate 16 grams. 1 kilogram for sunglasses would be too much. An envelope, 1 gram or 70 grams. An envelope, best estimate 1 gram. 70 grams or 70 grams would be too much for an envelope. 1 gram. In the example of page 802, there are 10 weights on the balance. Why is the mass of the apple not 10 grams? In page 802, we see the balance. We see that it says there's 2 of 100 grams, 6 of 10 grams, and 2 of 1 gram in the balance. With the apple, that they're talking about this side, there's weights. So there's 2 of 100. 100 plus 100 makes 200. 6 of 10 grams weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weights. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And 2 of 1 gram weights. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we go 200 plus 60. 200 plus 60 is 260 plus 2. 262. So this side is 262. Look at the balance. Is this side heavier? Is it lighter? Or are they equal? They are equal. So if this side is 262, the apple weighs 260. Why is the mass of the apple not 10 grams? It is not 10 grams because the balance is equal to 262. To communicate my answer, the apple has the same mass as the weights, that equals to 262 grams. Number 6, tools. Find an object you think has a mass more than a kilogram and that has a mass less than a kilogram. Then use a pan balance to see if you are correct. Unfortunately, I do not have a pan balance, but I'm going to look that has more mass than a kilogram, according to me, and another object that has less mass than a kilogram. Let me start. As I started searching around my house, for me it was quick. I found this gallon of water, and I'm not gonna talk about the capacity. I'm talking about the mass. This is definitely more than it's heavy. Now, this is her milk, my baby's milk, and I read it, and it says that it is 777 grams, so it's less than a kilogram, and this is here to carry. So, more than a kilogram, less than a kilogram. Work on the independence practice so you can practice more on the gram and the kilogram. Remember, you're gonna send to your teacher homework page, only homework page 14.5, which is the front and the back. Thank you, boys and girls.